Let me show you how to save your USB port on your quadcopter. So you get this little thing in here and you plug it into the USB port on your quadcopter. Just like that. Now you get your cable and you plug it in with a magnet. You can rotate it up, down. It rotates and it still connects. And when you plug it in, you get a blue light here that tells you it's connected. So from here, when you connect, Betaflight connects. With this USB-C adapter, you put this on, plug it into your phone, and run Betaflight from there using the Speed2B app.